Hello everyone, All the Rain is a casual game. I'll play through the first level. Gather star bits as you fall to collect coins. Hit the plan at the bottom of the level to gain even more coins. Alright, with these coins you can buy new costumes. Here we'll buy the Glasses Rain and equip it. You can also use the coins to grow new costumes. Let's buy a seed. We'll buy the 8-bit seed here. And we will plant it in our planter and water it. You can water the seeds once a day, and once they're done growing, you can collect them and get a new costume. Thanks for watching the video.